Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with Nifty. Guys, as we discussed, today the market was very volatile. Okay, so it opened, came down, it went everywhere. Okay, it was volatile. So I did not trade anything today. I'm expecting it to be volatile even tomorrow because see, market has moved pretty much a lot. Okay, now it has to decide where it has to go. It has to continue down. We have to get some follow-ups of this. If you guys see, these lowers are being shifted on higher. See this low, high. This low did not get broken. This high got broken. This low, okay, this high. People, what they do is, if they look at this and they like, this is a head and shoulder, but see, head and shoulder can definitely be seen in this, but there is actually a flag. If you see, I'll show you. This is a flag which is getting formed. Okay, this is a flag, a Poland flag, an inverted Poland flag, which is getting formed. Only if it breaks this, we will be looking forward to sell. Okay, till then it is going to carry forward, and only if this high is broken, we look forward to buy. Till then, I'm not gonna buy or sell. I'm gonna wait for the price action to be properly completed. Okay, till then we don't have any trades. So I'll be very honest with you guys. What are my plans on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow? So Nifty, this is a trend line. This is a very close trend line which is going up. See, for me, this is actually a good support zone. Okay, this is a very good support zone. It can bounce back. Yes, definitely it can bounce back because market is very what to say, unconditional. It can go, it can do whatever it want, it can go wherever it want. You have to be clear on your trades. That is the only thing you can do. Make sure you have the small stop losses and targets are bigger. Okay, so if it crosses 21,450 and above, I will be looking forward to buy only with a small quantity, not more than that, because there is a high probability it can hit stop losses here because of the volatility. And selling, I will be selling only below let's see, now this is actually a base. Okay, now this is actually a base. A small base is formed here. This is also a base and this is also a base. There are two bases which are forming here. So let's get rid of this. Let's make this as a base because this is more relevant. Yeah, so now this is one base. So it has to give a strong close below this. Okay, if it gives a strong close below this, then I will be definitely looking forward to sell it, and this will be the target. So if it closes anywhere below 21,240 and below, or 245 and below, I will be looking forward to short it, not aggressively, on a very small quantity, because the market is volatile. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also the same case. If you guys see, it is on a downtrend, but this last moment recovery means there are buyers getting involved in this. Most probably it might gap up tomorrow. If it gaps up tomorrow, wait for it to retrace. Once it retrace, enter with a small quantity at 4-5, that is 45,000. 45,005 and above, I will be looking forward to buy a small quantity. Selling, I will be only selling below 44,240 and below. Okay, this is where I'll be selling. I'm still sticking to my plan. There's nothing changed. Okay, so because of the last moment buying is what is making me get into a conclusion that there are buyers still involved into this. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, we have successfully, it has broken its curse. I will tell you guys. I'll show you in a very simple way. Let me just hide everything. If you guys see, this is a very bad phase. Okay, basically market did not go anywhere. To this phase was very bad from December 28th to January 28th. January 24th. Okay, did not move anywhere. Almost a month. December 4th, let's keep from December 4th to 24th. Okay, this period was very bad, but at least here we got something, and here we got something. After that, it was very volatile. So now it has broken this curse and it has started moving up. I have made a very good position here, so I am holding it for now. So I will show you where I've entered. I have entered exactly here. What happened? Market got closed yesterday. If it wouldn't have closed, my SL would have gotten hit. Fortunately, I was lucky enough, market got closed. It was on a loss when I saw this, but then in the morning it slowly started recovering up. I was very sure, that is why I was holding this trade, because I know how price action works, and that's why I was holding it. Now if you guys see, this high has been broken and it has taken a very good support here. Here I've added one more quantity. So next I'll be adding my quantity here. I will tell you guys, next I'll be adding my quantity here. Yeah, it has to be strong, it has to close strong, then I'll be adding more quantity here, like this. Here's where I'll be adding, and 25 points will be my stop loss here. Yeah, this is how I'm entering. Once this candle close has been decided, and my first target will be this. So we have entered at $75 and $74, and our target is at $78.93. Once this candle is closed strongly above this resistance, I will be entering it. That is at $76.45 and above. I'll be entering, and my target will be $78.91. Okay, so this is for US oil. Next is gold. If you guys see, gold has broken its trend line from the downside. I'm sorry, I did not trade gold, so I had no idea. So it has broken like this, which is all right. We can even move the drawing like this. If you guys see, it has broken like this, so it should probably come back here and then start moving down. Okay, what happens is here, if you guys see, this is a very good trend line. Okay, on a 4-hour time frame, this is a very good trend line where it is taking good support. You guys see, this is a very good support. It's going up. There is a very high probability it can hit this trend line and then come down, so we can wait for it to hit this trend line. That is somewhere around here. See, this is a confluence. If you guys see, this is a very good confluence. It did not reverse from here, so there is a high probability it can reverse from here. But we have to see, market has to move this way, only then we short it. If it breaks up, then again we are gonna look forward to buy. Okay, so this is how this trade is gonna look. If it breaks about that is 2030 and above and sustains, I'll be looking forward to buy. Or if it shows any bearishness at 2030 and below, I'll be selling it. Okay, my target on the sell will be small, but the buy will be very big, because buy I have space on the side. So let's see how this goes. We have 4 stocks for the swing trading. First is HFCL. HFCL is giving a very good breakout. If you guys see on a weekly time frame, after a very long time, that is after 925 days, 920 days, it was on a range. Now it has given a breakout. So tomorrow, if I get a price of 102 to 102 to 110, I'll be definitely buying this stock, and my stop loss will be at 92 rupees and 35 pice. Okay, this is a very good stock. I've traded this already. Next is Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy is also in a slow uptrend. So if the market closes above 5,930 and above strongly, I will be looking forward to buy this. So once it closes only, I'll be buying. For now, it is still in a range, so just keep this in your watch list. Next is Managar. I've already given it, guys. Like Managar, we are already sitting on 30% plus. We have given somewhere here. Now we are sitting on 30% plus, and to be honest, it is giving a breakout after 12 years. If you guys see, this is 2012 to 2024. It's on the same range. Now it's giving a breakout. We entered very earlier, fortunately. So now we are entering at if I get a price anywhere of 46 rupees to 42 rupees, okay, from 40 to 46 rupees, I will be buying it more. I'll be adding more quantity, and my stop loss will be at 31 rupees. So this stock is a stock which consolidated for a very long time and giving a breakout. So please keep an eye, and I will definitely buy this stock tomorrow, no matter what. That is, I'll be adding it to my winning positions. Okay. Next is Siemens. Siemens is also looking pretty good. If you guys see, it is on a good uptrend. This is a very good resistance. This is a very good resistance zone. Okay, so it has taken good support here. Again, it's taken a support here, and this trend line is also supporting. So if it closes above 4,271 and it sustains, I will be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 4,095. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. This is just my view on the market. This is not a call or a tip, so please just refer to this and trade, and please learn trading, which is a very good skill, which is a life skill. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.